Praisers and Savers. My name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure that you hit that like button, also subscribe and click that notification bell to all. So recently I had some women who won the sticker pack that I've told you guys about, and they haven't claimed them yet, so I will be telling you guys their name again. So here's all the different stickers that I have made for you guys, and these are all vinyl and waterproof. And if you comment below any kind of comment, you can just say sticker or coupon, whatever you want. I will send you, if you win, I will send you a sticker pack. And this one's so cute, obsessed with couponing. And this one's the best, Make Heaven Crowded. So I have a bunch of these I've made, and I'll send you the entire sticker pack if you win. But I do want to show you. So these ladies won the sticker pack. Please make sure that you go into my description box to email me or send me a DM on TikTok or on Instagram. My email is praisingandsaving@gmail.com. So the first winner was Crystal Rickendollar. Just send me an email with your address and I will send you the sticker pack. The next winner was Jilly Mason. Thank you for saying you like my Southern Belle accent. Again, email me at praisingandsaving@gmail.com with your address and I will email you, or I will mail you the sticker pack. The last one is Heather's Couponing. So again, just send me an email. Yeah, that per sale deal is a great deal at Walmart, so I do need to go back and get some more of those. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So today is March the 5th, 2023, and we are heading into a CVS. It is my favorite store to coupon at. I will be using all digitals on this haul, no paper coupons whatsoever. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. No need to write any of these deals down. Now, in these deals, guys, I do have an $8 off 40, so always check your email to see if you received that as well. So this first deal is on this Garnier Skin Active. Now, you have to get a Skin Active product. Make sure you're scanning these in the store, just various Garnier products, to see which one applies for your coupons on your CVS app. And then we'll also be using a coupons on the coupons.com app as well. So this was my favorite one today. This was the Blackhead Eliminating Scrub with Charcoal. These are $6.99, but they are buy one, get one 50% off. And then when you buy two, you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. So this is a high value extra care buck. So here's the math. We're going to buy two. Our total will be $5.25 because it is buy one, get one 50% off. That will make our total $10.50. We have a $2 CVS manufacturer coupon on the Garnier products that will come off at the register. And then we also will submit our receipt to the coupons app to get $2 back. So that's $4 in coupons between the CVS app and the coupons app. Then we'll get back $5 in extra care bucks because we bought two of the Garnier products. With the two coupons and the $5 in extra care bucks, our total will be $1.50 or 75 cents each. So we have a lot of high valued extra care bucks this week. And here's another one on the Dove. These are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. So because they are buy one, get one 50% off, just for math purposes, it would be like one of them is $3.90. So buying two of those would cost $7.80. There's no coupons whatsoever on the app on these. We'll get back $5 in extra care bucks, which will make our total $2.80 or $1.40 per bottle of Dove. This is another no coupons needed deal. This is on the Fruit Gushers and the Fruit Roll-Ups. I always pick these up when they're on sale. So these are usually $4.69. And I don't like buying these because my kids will eat the entire box in one sitting. But when they're on sale, I do pick them up for their lunches. So usually $4.69. They're on sale for $1.99. Like I said, I don't have any coupons or any coupons from the coupons app, but just think it's just a really good little snack deal for them. The Tide deal this week is spend 20, get $5 back in extra care bucks. So I don't mind this at all. But this is what I did for my deal. Of course, you have different coupons than I do on your app, or you just may like different brands than Tide or Gain. So the Tide I got was $12.99. I do have this $3 coupon. So it's going to make the Tide Pods come down to $10 with using that digital coupon. Then picked up some of the small packs of Tides. This is $7.49 and it's on sale for $5.49. I remember when I used to get these for like, $3 or so, or maybe even $4, but prices have gone up so much. With it being $5.49, we do have that $1 coupon on the CVS app, which will bring it down to $4.49. The last thing I picked up were the Downy Unstoppables. These are usually $7.29, but they're on sale for $5.49. And then we have a $1 coupon on the CVS app, which will make these $4.49. So with all three of these products that you see that I just picked up, my total was $23.97. I had $5 in coupons, the $3 Tide, the $1 Tide, and the $1 Downy fabric, so $5 in coupons. We got back $5 in extra care bucks, so our total for all three products was $13.97. So pretty great savings on this. We pretty much got all of this stuff here for the price of that big Tide that we got in the first one. So essentially like the small Tide and the Unstoppables were kind of free in a way. This deal on the Colgate products this week is amazing. We're going to be getting $21 worth of Colgate products for just $3 or $1 each. What we want to do is we want to get to that threshold of spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So the first thing we're going to do is pick up this Colgate Optic White. It's $9.59. We do have this $3 coupon that's going to attach on the app. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up one of these Colgate Optic White stain fighters at $5.19. This is a really good deal on this. Plus, we're going to go ahead and pick up this toothbrush that's $6.29. So we pick up the toothpaste and the toothbrush. We're going to be able to use that $4 coupon that you see there on the app. So we're using both that $3 coupon and that $4 coupon that you see in the app. In addition to that, we're going to glitch, and what that means is we're going to be able to use that $1 coupon as well. It's going to come off in addition to that $3 coupon and that $4 coupon. So all three of these coupons are going to come off when we buy all three of these products. Our total started at $21.07. We got $8 in coupons. We got back $10 in extra care bucks. So our total after everything was $3.07 or about $1.02 each. Guys, I just want to remind you, make sure that you comment below coupon or sticker or anything you want to say in the comments, and that will enroll you into my sticker pack giveaway, and I will be announcing that in my next video. So this is my deal of the day. This is going to be on the Nivea body wash. I haven't gotten body wash in so long. I absolutely have none in my stockpile, so that's a really great thing to get this. So these are $5.49 for the Nivea men's body wash, and we're going to pick up two of these so we can get back $5 in extra care bucks. So picking up two of these, our total will be $10.98. We'll get back $5 in extra care bucks because we bought two of these. And then we also have a $3 coupon on the CVS app that's going to come off. It's going to make this Nivea body wash just $2.98 or $1.49 each. So in addition to all these great deals, I also had an $8 off 40 purchase. Guys, always make sure that you check your emails from CVS because they do send you some really great emails with different promotions. I was able to pick all these items that you see today up for just $18. So I got 2 things of Garnier. I got the 2 things of Dove hair. the Fruit Gushers, all those Tide products, all those Colgate products, and the Nivea products for only $18. Our total with just the sales, with everything before it all, was $97. So my total was $97 for everything, and I only spent $18. That's a huge savings. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Make sure that you comment below so you can be in the run for the sticker pack, and I will see you guys next time in hopefully my Walmart video.